What's up, guys? Let's do a quick little run through on these standard HMI controllers. How to change set point, right? So the first reading on top, that's your box temperature, so it's 80 degrees. The back door is open, so this is not gonna go down. The bottom is the set point. So to change the set point, please do it the following way. Like, don't just go and select your Fahrenheit level or Celsius. After doing so, after selecting the right temperatures you want, hit equal. What happens if you don't hit equal, right? And you like, okay, I got some frozen product, let's keep this at 10, and you leave it at 10, right? You leave it at 10, see what happens if you don't hit the equal. You'll generate an alarm called set point not entered. What that means is that it thinks that somebody bumped the controllers accidentally. There we go, it's flashing because you didn't tell it, yes, that's what I want, with the equal sign. So it'll generate that alarm. Watch, I'll show you in a second. There it is, there's the alarm. And so again, and now we have an alarm. That's what the triangle means. How to access the alarm: you're gonna hold the on button and the check simultaneously, right? Keep pressing this, then check. Alarm 127. What is alarm 127? Set point not entered. How to clear it? Once you're in the alarm menu, right? So let's go back. Alarm menu, hold the on, and this can be for any codes you have on there. It'll be listed the bottom. That means occurred first, right? Number one. You can scroll up if you have more than one. Scroll down, right? So to clear it, you're just gonna hit the equal, multiple times, so everything says 0 0, and that's it. It'll default back to the screen, or you can hit the on again and it defaults back, right? So again, set point up, down, hit the equal. Cycle sentry, that means start stop. The turtle, that means city speed. That means the engine will run in low speed at all times as long as this is triggered on. I'm not sure if you heard it, but it went to low speed, right? And then this is your defrost. This is your pre-trip. You hold this down until the light turns completely solid, right? Hold it. Sometimes if it starts flashing, it's either because you have an alarm. So what you can do there is turn it off, clear the alarm, turn it back on, and then leave it running for about a good few minutes, and then try the pre-trip again. But this light has to be solid on, which that tells you that the pre-trip is currently running. If this light is not on, the pre-trip is not running at all. Well, not too sure what else to explain on these basic ones, right? But yeah, hopefully that helps. Can't really do too much on these. You gotta get the premium controller to look at readings and sensors like that.